Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Tanya here, and I want to thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is about my shopping trip. I went to Walmart to kind of round out my prepper's pantry. I got some items at Walmart that I couldn't find at Sam's Club, like some canned goods, some canned fruits. Sam's had the cups, the fruit cups, but I wanted stuff in cans. I wanted shelf-stable foods. So I'm just trying to round out my pantry, and I want to encourage you guys also to just, with whatever in your budget, just add some extra stuff to some extra canned goods, some shelf-stable foods to your pantry, because shopping now, grocery shopping now it's a trip. And so I'm trying to avoid so many shopping trips now. One thing, for the budget. Then another thing is, things are getting, I don't know, I'm just seeing more and more people are approaching me. They're getting too close. Like today, this man came up to me and said, "Oh, sister, I want to help you out, And I'm like, no, I said, I'm good. No, I'm a cop. And, we just want to be here to help our sisters out and everything. I said, that's fine, but we need to social distance. I appreciate your help. And he just came to me anyway, and I grabbed my mace. And then, he's like, all right, thank you. And I was like, thank you, appreciate it. So just people are, I'm looking like a snack out here, I guess. People think I got something. And so it's just, trying to avoid the corona. Then when you go into, I've been quarantined. I've been away from people. The only time I'm around others is when I go grocery shopping. So we have to try to fight this virus. Then they're not sanitizing these carts anymore. And then you gotta be mindful of the crooks and the creeps. So corona, crooks, creeps. It's a hazard going out here just to shop anymore. So I'm thankful every time I'm coming and going, and I come back home and I'm safe and I'm healthy. So I just want you guys just to be safe, but get out there and get your stuff. Go with some friends and family. Don't go alone if you don't have to. All right, so let's get out. I was out here. It's beautiful out here today. So I just wanted to get some vitamin D, get some fresh air. And before I put my groceries away, just wanted to chat with you guys. So hang with you. I'll show you what I have, and we'll keep it moving. All right. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I want to thank you so much for your support. I want to thank all of my subscribers. I consider all of you guys as taste makers, and any new people. I've got some few new subscribers. I want to thank you guys for subscribing, and anyone new that's just watching this video, I want to welcome you to go on and hit, if you like this video, you can hit like, comment, give me some suggestions on things that will help reach my 3-month goal of stocking my pantry. And any comments, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified, because I do hauls, meal prep, and how to shop on like a low budget. So, okay, so let's get started. So this is what I got these are the dry goods that I got from Walmart today. Walmart's looking good. It's the 1st of October. They're stocking up. They were like feverishly working in there today. And so things look very good. Of course, my phone rings every time I start filming. Okay, so I wanted to get, when I went to Sam's Club, I couldn't find, well, I'm going to come around there. I couldn't find canned meat that I liked. But I got this corned beef. It's a great value. These were like $3. Hang on just a moment. Oh, the phone stopped. Okay, so these are like $3 and something. So I got 3 of these corned beef. These are good. I've had these years ago, and I just got a little thing of Vienna sausages. I'm gonna put these in my bug out bag You know, I need small stuff. And I needed tea. They didn't have a whole lot of like tea with 100 in it. They had like the gourmet tea. You know, I didn't want that. You know, salad dressing. The real thing, I got more. I got so many big bags of rice. So this was like this is what, 5-pound bags for $3 and under $4. Then I got an 8-pound bag of pinto beans. Now I have a whole freezer, like a refrigerator freezer. When we took our white freezer out, put it in the garage, it is full. I keep my beans and flour and all that and rice, all that in the freezer, you know, to keep it safe and to kill if there's any, you know, pest or anything. Then I got a bigger jug of picante sauce. And I got 2 things of water, 2 cases of water. I didn't feel like lifting that. And I always get a big thing of paper towels and a big thing of toilet paper every time I go to the store. Okay, and then got some instant coffee. This is the Great Value brand, and this has a long shelf life. Now these things, the dates on these aren't as good as the ones for Sam's. These, like this meat here is good till 2025. That's what you want. That's why I got these canned goods. You get shelf stable stuff. And people be like turning their nose at you when you bring this stuff home, but then like if stuff hits the fan and there's no other food, they're gonna be wanting to eat your stuff. Okay, then I got this soy sauce. This is good until 2022. Oh, then I forgot I can't read this expiration date. Then I got some regular Folgers coffee. Got 2 more of those. It's like, you know, when I go, I get a couple extra things. And I just got a couple extra of these just to put in stock. Paper plates. More cups. More dish detergent. And normally in October, November, I stock up anyway. You know, I try to get most of, because I normally do a lot of baking for the holidays and as gifts. So I usually do a lot of that. But I already, you know, did that when they had some flour in August. I got that. So just, you know, get more, you know, your saran wraps and foils and foil. Got that. Just got a couple extra things of penne. It's like I like to make this casserole, and so you know you have to think about like for me, I could like make a pasta casserole, and that'll last me 1 week. So if you want trying to do 12 weeks, at least have 12 boxes of some type of pasta at a minimum, so you can like make a pasta casserole that'll last 1 week. That'll be dinners for 1 week, and you know, just decide how much you're going to be eating, and that's the time to just kind of keep things to a minimum. You know, freezer bags, clear forks. I got some bulk taco seasoning, but then I'm going to add some smaller ones there. 2 things of Great Value creamy peanut butter. Let's see, this is good until 2021. Then I like my garlic chili paste. This is very shelf stable. I can't see the date on that. And then I went in there especially for this. I wanted fruit cocktail, and I got some fruit cocktail. When are these good until 2022? Got like peaches. So I got 2 2, 4, 6, 8. Got 8. Got sliced pears. That's it. And this, like I said, Sam's was looking, Walmart's looking good. They got some appliances. I got my cookware is this color, so I wanted an affordable teapot. I drink a lot of tea, so this was $19.99. So, and I was getting ready to buy one on Amazon, but when I saw this one, I was like, thank you, thank you. And then small little tea kettle, electric tea kettle. So I got this. This was like $10. No. This was $19.99. Then I got these coffee filters. They were $1 each. And then I don't know what happened. I had it like a little. I have a Keurig, but I'm not always. I don't want to pay those high. Those pods can get expensive. So I got this little coffee maker, and I had one that someone gave us for our wedding, and I don't know where it is. So, and this was like $10.97, under $11. Okay, guys, so just want you to know Walmart's looking good. Got some stuff. Time to get it while the getting's good. Dates are good. Give us a couple years. So thank you so much. I appreciate your support, and just want to encourage you to just get a little extra something so you'll be prepared. All right. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you, guys. Bye.